Got ourselves a nice Vanquish. I don't know why it's parked way out here. I hear something. I hear launch edition.
Oh my lord.
The old Montana plate gag. I just walked the whole show and then realized I was only recording the audio and I wasn't recording the video, so now we're going to walk it again.
Okay.
Liar. He's a cheat.
There'll be a rip.
In for about 5 minutes. Yeah.
Black wheels. Everyone likes it. Well, those don't look so bad, I guess. I'm not much of a fan of black wheels. Unless they're really, really clean. Some really sweet looking HRVs on this thing. Yeah, like them apples. Yeah.
I was out of commission for over a year.
Look at that. Would you look at that? Just look at it.
And my father-in-law.
Huge turnout today. I'll have to count these later. Sounds like there's still things showing up too. Nice Hellcat. And another Hellcat. And then sort of a Hellcat, well, a Hellcat motor. Let's go look at these Mustangs. Yellow stripe. Everyone likes a GT. And another GT. Ooh, and one of those Tamporter cars. Those are pretty cool.
Look at that.
It looks like everyone's got dash plaques. There was a goodie bag that I did not get because I was too lazy to go pick them up. You know why? It's because they're right by the donuts. And if I go near the donuts, you know what's up. We'll go down there at the Ferraris in a minute here.
And then I've been using the wax like as dry. Okay. And actually, I think I like it a lot better than like regular.
Oh man. Just look at that. But this car's slow. Nice wheels. Hey buddy. What's up?
Not much.
It sure is. Thanks for coming out. A huge turnout. I'm gonna get sunburned to hell. I'm gonna finish my video and get my umbrella out. Did you get you a donut?
Of course, it was a great deal.
Good man. GT tree viddy. Roush stage tree. Another GT tree viddy. Another GT. And another Cobra. Ooh, deep dish wheels. Pretty nice. Let's see what else is going on.
That's the side cylinder head. Okay. Actually, I couldn't. That's why I'm asking. I know they had the manifold on it.
Look at all those guys hanging over there in the shade. There's Daytona. In a Falcon. In a challenge stradality, I think.
Really? I feel it hurts me personally.
Lynn definitely has some cool toys, I'll tell you that. Look at this. I've done an Instagram post on this one. This is a 360 Challenge GT. They only made 20 or so of these cars. And Lynn's got one because he's just that guy who just gets racy stuff sometimes. And he wants to get it to the track. I have to talk to him. See how we can make that happen. Look at that. Original GT tree fitted. And another GT. And then a Porsche 930 Turbo Cabriolet. With a Manuel. I think they were all Manuel back in the day. And some comically small rear seats. Look at that. And then a nice Spider. Box of Spider. And a twin turbo Z. Not even the 2+2. That's a rare bird right there. Oh, sweet. Let's go back up to the top and see what
That's kind of cool. I worked
haha. Hey, car boy. Is that pie?
I gave in.
Who doesn't like pie?
Everybody likes pie.
I tried to shake the carb monkey, couldn't get him off my back.
Excuse me? So cool. Lynn's got a bunch of stories about this. We need like VinWiki, get him on there so we can tell some stories. There he is right there. Hi, Lynn.
Hey, I just gotta learn how to promote, you know. I'm gonna do the Mercury. For the 32, 34 pickup truck. I don't know what year that is. Oh, by the way, that's the only car in my collection I don't own. Really? That one there? Yep.
Your wife?
My wife owns that one.